multiplying fractions by another fractions. Okay, ang given natin number 1, 8 over 9 times 1 over 4 equals, ang unang step natin ay multiply the numerators and denominators. So 8 times 1, that is 8. Then ang denominators naman, multiply natin 9 times 4, that is 36. So 8 over 36. Ang step 2 na gagawin, simplify by dividing the numerator and the denominator by GCF. So ang GCF ng 8 saka 36 is 4. Okay, 8 divided by 4, that is 2. 36 divided by 4, that is 9. Okay, so the final answer, ito ay naka-lowest term na siya, 2 over 9. Using cancellation method, itong 8 saka 4 divide natin. So 4 maiwan na lang ay 1, ang maiwan na lang 8 ay 2. So multiply natin 2 times 1, that is 2. Multiply natin denominator, 9 times 1, that is 9. Yan pa rin ang answer.